Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Today we'll make Falooda drink, and for that I have got the chia seeds. We have to soak them, and I have already boiled the vermicelli and it looks something like this. Now it's time to soak the chia seeds. For that I will take around 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a bowl, and then I'll add some water to that. After adding the water, I'll keep that chia seeds to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes so that they are properly soaked. And after it gets soaked, it will have some very gum and thick consistency. It has a gummy consistency after it gets soaked. So I'll just give it a stir, and then I'll give I'll keep that at rest for some time. Now it's time to cut the watermelon. So I have taken some watermelon, and I'll cut them into very small pieces in a cubicle, in a very small cube. So I'm just cutting them very small because I have to mix them into the drink. So it should not be very big, just a little small one. Just chop them off, all of it. So the next thing is that we have to mix all the things into the, like, you have to make the falooda. So what I'm doing, I'm just mixing the falooda and the vermicelli, not falooda, actually watermelon. So I'm mixing the watermelon and the vermicelli to this, and after that we'll mix the milk to this mixture. So after we have mixed them, we have to add the milk to this, and I have taken around more than half liter of milk to this, and I'm just giving it a good stir and mix them well. It has already turned into pink color, but for making it more pink, we have to add little ruhavza to this. So I will add some ruafza to this drink, and then we'll also add some sugar to make them sweet. Now after mixing ruafza, and look at the color, it's looked so beautiful, such a good baby pink it has got the color. So the next is that we have to mix the chia seeds, and now look at this chia seed, the consistency is like very thick and gum like thing, and we have to mix this into the falooda, and the drink is ready to serve. So we'll serve them in the glass. So I have the first, what I'm gonna do, I'll just put the chia seeds and then the drink, falooda drink, and also we will add some ice cream onto the top. So the falda drink is ready. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel, and you like the content, please subscribe. I'll come with such content, and we'll meet you in the next video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.